Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to offer this Triumph Tiger 1200 Alpine Edition, registered the 3rd of March 2021 on a 21 plate with 10,302 miles. This top-of-the-range and desirable Alpine Edition looks fantastic in Snowdonia white and benefits from full service history, genuine Triumph 3-box luggage, spotlights, center stand, Arrow exhaust, heated grips, comfort rider seat plus passenger seat, TFT dash, adjustable screen, cruise control, traction control and rider modes. Being the Alpine Edition, it also features an Arrow exhaust, extra programmable power mode and off-road pro, and up and down quick shifter, adaptive cornering lights, hill start assist, and WP suspension. The 1215C C-shaft driven Triumph is powerful, refined and silky smooth. This capable and superb all-round adventure bike is just waiting for you and that epic European road trip. This awesome adventure bike will leave us serviced with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and a 3-month warranty for your peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for additional coverage. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, along with a variety of flexible finance options to suit your needs. For more information, feel free to contact us on 01 424 44 44 48 or via email at sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.